Why is it that every time I travel, it's raining? This is funny. Don't worry, be sexy, but no naked. Good morning, everyone. There are currently 2 other tables here, and they are watching me vlog. Awkward. Yes, I'm wearing the exact same outfit as yesterday. Because I tried to pack light, and so I didn't really pack in varieties. And also, I wanted to like shop here. My goal is to buy. I saw like a bunch of knitted or weaved. I don't know how to call it. Bags. I want to buy one of those and one outfit. One or two. That's my goal. Korea, love it. Not many colorful outfits to buy there. A lot of them are like pastel or black or beige or white. Not much variety. Fun clothes, some of them very fun clothes, but not much color. So, thank you. I ordered a Balinese breakfast with noodles and fruit. I haven't had a normal cup of coffee like this in a very long time. When I go to cafes, I just order hazelnut or vanilla latte. Fruit and my view. I did so well. I chose a fantastic hotel. Balinese breakfast and view.
The lady, that's the statue.
Yeah. That's kind of funny. Oh wait, there's already a monkey.
That's the monkey.
Monkeys.
How many monkey that you expect to see today?
Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So I think it's 50 is a
Good number.
big number or small number?
Big number? No?
Our letter as in Bali, we have own alphabet.
What does it say?
This wa, wana, 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 wana.
Wana.
Pada Tegal, Padang Tegal.
Padang Tagal.
Padang Tegal is the name of the village. This is Padang Tegal.
Whoa. We're already seeing 18 monkeys. 20 monkeys.
Yeah.
3, 4, 3, 5. So you know he's first born if it has Wayan in the name.
This is again Wayan. Let's see, Wayan. E, that is for man. Ni for woman. For example, like that. Ni Wayan.
Ni Wayan.
So that is woman.
Okay.
This is Wayan is man.
Some of the gravestones are very creative. Like
Creative,
there's
yeah.
paint over there.
Maybe he is a painter.
Maybe he was a painter.
Yeah. Like have
A conversation with the monkey. We didn't record, but I was going to say, real jungle experience to be walking around in the rain.
On 2021, 1,200 monkeys.
1,200?
Yeah.
So 50
That
is a small number.
small number.
We're at 59. Wow. 1,000?
Yeah.
Over 1,000?
1,200.
1,200? Dang. I recognize a lion from South Africa.
Oh, this lion.
I can tell you a tour guide. You're very professional with the camera.
Oh, really? So the local, they do what is birth control for the monkey. Some monkey they have number. Actually, they have a birth control.
Oh, monkeys on birth control?
Yeah.
So far, this is a great tour.
Yeah.
If we finished here, I'd be happy still. Still more to see. Okay, whoa. Wow. why is it that every time I travel, it's raining? Oh, it makes me a little sad that I'm not really enjoying any sun right now, but hopefully Kuta will be better. I doubt it, but still gorgeous. Oh, 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 gotta be careful. I'm at the rice terrace now, if you couldn't tell. Love my guide. He's like a professional photographer, turning my camera upside down, doing all sorts of angles. Ah, I need to not fall while I'm walking around. How do people get to the other side? But I won't go too far. It's slippery, it's rainy. Wear proper walking shoes if you want to come here. My goodness. Things with grip preferably. I booked a swing as well in this tour, and coffee and lunch. But with this rain, I'm not sure about the swing. We'll see. Why does it always rain when I'm traveling? I'm going down all this way. How am I supposed to get back up? It's an adventure. That's a wobbly bridge. This is the view on the other side. I don't see a reason to go on further. I'm gonna head back, and then I think it's lunch. Over there, with the red umbrellas, apparently that's a club, not a hotel. She's deep. I don't know how well you can see it, but looking down there, it's giving like Lara Croft jungle adventure. I want to be in a Lara Croft movie. No clue what kawi is, but I ordered a kawi mojito. I always like to try new things. So I'm like, I don't know what that is. I'll order it. Oh, my spring roll's coming. It's only one spring roll. Very herbally. Like very limey herbal taste. I like it. I haven't had this kind of spring roll in a really long time, and it's very good. Only one though. Crispy duck. It's been a while since I last had duck. They said crispy. Black rice and coconut. There's a lot of people around me. We're making claws.
Can look at? Lean back. Put your hand behind you. Ah, okay, good. Good.
Professional. Whoa. Oh, that's the best one. That's a cacao. Coffee farm. Oh, that's pretty.
Ah, yes, that is curcuma.
Curcuma.
Curcuma. So this animal is a wild one. This animal produces the coffee.
And then it comes out in poop. It's poop coffee.
People are hunting the food at the wild.
This is turmeric and ginger. Are we using for the tea here? Herbal tea. It's a good tea for medicine, for the anti-inflammation, and it's a good for antioxidant. I will start from the coffee. This is vanilla coffee.
Vanilla coffee.
And this one mochaccino coffee. So coffee we make with chocolate together.
Thank you. Go from
Except for
bottom
the luwak coffee, I'm sorry. Except for the luwak coffee, special coffee. If you're interested for the try the luwak coffee or the cappuccino coffee,
Oh, yeah?
they will charge 55% for one cup.
Okay.
Because it's one special coffee, not including with the food tasting. If you like to try, you can order with me later. Yeah.
Oh, that's sweeter than I thought it would be. This is barley coffee.
Bali coffee, so the pure coffee.
Strong stuff.
That's good for wake up in the morning.
This will definitely wake you up.
Yeah.
Definitely.
You're up in the morning.
The people come to this temple just to take the water.
Just to take
Some
water.
of them drink them, and some of them they do the spiritual cleansing. Come here.
Spiritual cleansing. Okay.
A weapon for the warrior. This is melukat, that's for human that I
Okay.
said to you.
Yes.
This is the place the people do the cleansing.
Okay.
And this for trading, wisdom for the king, funeral ceremony, beauty. This is for artists.
Two for beauty. To me.
So they take the water, bring home. What they made, they will sprinkle. Or it be the dancer, model, they will sprinkle to them. So get the aura. And this is for birthday.
Birthday.
We celebrate 3 times birthday in a year.
3?
2 times by Saka, 1 time by Gregorian.
Okay.
In the Gregorian, we have birthday cake.
Wow.
Look the water here. You can see very
Clear.
This is not from the river. This from the
The-
spring.
Spring.
This place. Yes. Put your hand. Give. There. No, that's okay. Yes, okay. Put inside. Give more. Finish the food.
The name of the temple.
Here have a view step until look like you are.
Insane stairs. I didn't want to after Philippines trip, but my camera has died, so I almost changed between my phone. Last stop. Cool. Is that a hotel or a bar? Just looks like a bar. If I only had more time to kill here, I would have stayed there for a bit. And there's a restaurant there too. Whoa. This place looks so cool. And then looking out at the view. Yeah. Wow. But look! Look! If only I had more time to kill. So cool. Bali's beautiful. Mom, I'm fine. Kiss my ass. Don't worry, be sexy. No swimming here. You can go closer. I don't see a reason to go closer. Maybe it's because of all the rain, but that waterfall is pouring. This is funny. Don't worry, be sexy, but no naked. One more time the waterfall. Incredible. All the haziness is because of the water. Must be an incredible view from that place. Look at that, and then look at the waterfall. I want to go, but I can't. Next time, I'll definitely come back to Bali. Definitely coming back to Bali. Welcome to Tegendugang Waterfall. Butcher that name. I need to remember this for next time.